All right, so number 5. Get the picture drawn. Start labeling the pieces. So draw the picture, put the origin at the center, and then write the equation. And then we'll worry about exactly what we're being asked to find here. So it's a circle. If we put the origin at the center, that forces the center to be at 0, 0, and so the x minus h and y minus k is pretty easy. So it's just x squared and y squared. So we get to put the origin on there to make that happen in all of the word problems. And then we just kind of have to adjust off of that. So what's the radius? 2.5. So be careful when we give you, not quite the right information. So x squared plus y squared equals 2.5 squared. You got a calculator, or you will tomorrow, or Thursdays. You could square 2.5, or you could just leave it as 2.5 squared if you don't want to mess with it for now. I'm just going to leave it alone and mess with it later. All right, a truck is 4.5 meters wide, 6.5 meters tall. So 4.5 meters wide, we're assuming it's going to go right down the center. That's his best chance for making it through. So how far from the center is the right edge of the truck? I guess what distance is that? 2.25 distance from the center. So that's my x distance. I would like to know how tall the opening is right there at 2.25 comma, don't know what y is, but that height is what will determine whether he makes it or not. So let's plug 2.25 in for x. And figure out what y is. Show a little bit of work here. So y would be the square root of 2.5 squared minus 2.25 squared. And again, at what point you switch to decimals, at what point you just leave it and let the calculator do it is up to you. But rather than writing down a bunch of decimals, I've just left it with the squareds on there, and we'll let the calculator handle all of it. So 1.089. This is, I don't know how many decimals I need, but this might be close. So I'll carry a couple extra just to be sure here. Okay, that's the y coordinate. But that's not really the height of the tunnel right there. Right? I know it's more than 1.08 whatever. How tall is the tunnel right there? Or how do I figure out how tall the tunnel is? Yeah, I need to add 5 to that. So 6.089. Now I'm going to round because I see already that, am I going to make it or not? No. So this is how much over or under will the truck be? It'll be over by 6.5 minus 6.09, 0.41 meters. 0.41 meters. That's 40 centimeters. That's not very close. Just thinking this is going to be.
I heard it was a bad accident.
It's going to be a bad accident. Either the truck is going to get wrecked at the top or the bridge is going to be knocked out. I don't know which is stronger, but it's not going to be good, whatever's happening here. Tragedy. Hopefully no one dies in this trucking accident here.